Okay, so hello guys, good afternoon, good day. This is me again, Jason, and welcome to my channel In Depth. And we are here right now to discuss this new gaming platform called Mint. Okay, so this is actually a sponsored video, guys. So this video is paid, and if you're only 18, you can access this game. Or meaning, Mint is for 18 plus only. So if you're below 18 or not 18, skip this video, guys. Okay, so just a reminder to play within your means only, since this is actually a gaming platform where you can earn, meaning spend only on what you can afford to lose, or check your local laws in case there are some problems accessing this website, guys. Okay, so Mint is actually a next-gen crypto gaming platform. They have Anjuan Gaming Authority license, which is legit, and they are using a bear mascot with green palette here on their website, which is clean and modern. So they have different kinds of games here, like the sea, the sports, they have predictions, they have arcade tab. We will be checking the tab each one later on. Okay, so we have $92 already on my account, and actually for this platform, they have 2,000 plus games from world's top providers. So they have some common games here like the Pragmatic, the Gates of Olympus, Starlight Princess. They have Dota 2 here, Sweet Bonanza, and many more, okay? So they are using probably fair originals with on-chain transparency. And on their sportsbook, they are using an AI-powered, which is genuinely different, guys, okay? So in here, they have something for every type of players, from live to sports, from arcade gamings, from prediction, and many more, okay? And I already discussed earlier, they have Gates of Olympus, Rip City, Starlight Princess, Sweet Bonanza, and many more. So you have a lot of games to explore here, guys. They have Counter-Strike, Dota 2, basketball, football. They have arcade, which you can get some rewards and some sports, okay? So in this gaming platform, you can earn an XP for each play that you will do. So for example, if you're playing some games, you will gain some XP, okay? So I just need 666 XP to be on the next level. Since I'm already level 1, they have daily reward, rank up reward, lost back, and they have break back here, which you can only unlock when you are at a higher ranks already. And for the airdrop, you will be receiving this monthly for eligible players once token go live, guys, okay? And actually, they also have a free Telegram game, so it have no risk, and it is a good opportunity and a good way to try Mint platform. So the rewards here, design it to reward loyalty, not just on first deposit, okay? So actually, it's easy to sign up here on their platform, okay? So as you can see, I'm already signed up. I have $92, but for the sake of this video, I will log out on my account and sign in to register, okay? So you just need to click sign in on register. You can use MetaMask, Coinbase, Google, your email. Actually, this is the good option, guys, your email. You don't need to connect anything. You just need to put your email, and it will send a notification your email, and you have a 6-digit code. You just need to enter the 6-digit code and you can enter already. But for my case, I'm using MetaMask. So let's log in and confirm here on my MetaMask wallet. Connect and confirm, okay? So to get started, you actually need an investment or a needed amount to play some games here. So for example, I have 92.75 already on my account. So they have a crypto native, which is USDT and USDC, so they accept that. So they have no KYC here, guys, so you can play upfront easily. You can start exploring freely once you already sign up. So you don't need to have a KYC here. You just need to send USDT or USDC by using Ethereum, Tron, Polygon, BNB Smart Chain. So it depends on you. You just need to input your amount, or you can send manually by using the QR code here. For withdrawal, it is the same. You can use Ethereum, Tron, Polygon, and BNB. And actually, I already tried this, guys. The withdrawal here is very fast, okay? And the good thing here is you don't need to have a separate app because it runs already on any mobile browser, okay? And actually, I'm using my laptop right now, and it's very easy. And the platform actually, guys, is very okay. It's simple, fast, and low friction. So let's talk about the pros and cons. Well, the pros here, as you can see, the clean UX. It's very easy to use. It's smooth. It have 2,000 games with probably fair, and they have a live support here. So in case you have a problem, you just need to contact. They are open 24/7. But for the cons, they only use USDT and USDC. And they have no traditional welcome bonus. So when you deposit, there will be no additional bonus on your account. And what surprises me is the experience on playing these games because it's very smooth, guys. Okay? So I will just put the website link on my description below, and and you can try the Telegram game first for you to experience Mint. And Mint is an entertainment, not a financial strategy. So take note of that. And yeah, let's try playing some games and explore the tab here on their platform. Okay, so let's go first with sports book. Okay, so as you can see here, they have some live, they have football, tennis, basketball, table tennis, MMA, cricket, and they have some famous games here like Dota 2, Counter-Strike, and many more. Okay, so CS2, Dota 2. Okay, so they also have some prediction here, guys, ranging from crypto, sports, economy, gaming, culture. And all you need to do is enter on one of these link, and you just predict depending on the statement here, okay? So for example, will crypto bloom this spring? You just need to input the amount here, then click buy, okay? You just need to wait and it's okay. So as you can see, I already have, so as you can see, this is 92 earlier, now it's 91, okay? So that's that, okay? So that is the prediction side. Now for the arcade, they have different kinds of games here that you can choose from, like Ponziland, Dope War Realms, Ponziland, Sweet Bonanza, and many more, okay? So for example, let's check this Preach TV. You can use real money here or demo account, okay? So they have demo account, so you don't need to worry. You just need to click here and something like this, okay? So I will only play some rounds, guys. For example, let's play one game. So I spent $1 here, guys, and 90.6 already, okay? And it's okay, okay? So I would not play anymore. I already have 88, okay? And if you want to chat with other players, just click here. A window will pop out here. You can chat here anything to ask other players. And I think that would be all, okay? So basically, that is the video is all about. The link is on the description box. I hope I share something important to you. Just like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.